left and right. Oh, going through hot, doing about 50. Let's check this guy's speed. Oh, he's going 6th to 9th gear. Not bad, just gave me a weird look. Oh, this guy's coming in hot. Oh, this guy's coming in hot. Hit the brakes, hit the brakes.
Let's go.
Alright, hop in.
Was that good? That was sick.
What's up, YouTube?
Freaking knee hit the dashboard so hard.
I just wailed on the brakes. Like,
Hey, can I try the GoPro now?
go.
If it beeped.
Is it still on?
Yeah, he's left it recording for like half an hour.
You idiot.
I didn't know how to shut it off.
Why are we in the middle of the road?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're
could we have
switching
stopped
GoPros.
anywhere more awkward? Let's see it! Gotta get the shot, gotta get the shot. Let me in, princess.
Backfire.
喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプアランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうオリジナル VIP Many many diamonds
I hit him with the rock. Watch out! Idiot! Get up! Get up! Get up! Pull it up! Pull it up!
He's angry now.
Ride the horse, ride the horse,
He's
ride the
an
horse.
angry elf.
High jump.
You're an angry elf now.
What a guy. That was good. That was your first. That was pass.
That was awesome.
Pass.
Sick.
Follow me.
We can make a flip
Alright, we're following Chaz.
Follow this.
Follow the leader.
Whoa
Hey, pull
Oh.
off.
Haven't seen that much booty since I seen Hudson
Look at that
Yeah,
fresh
what?
line.
Stupid pegs burnt like freaking hit right here.
You know what you just gotta do? You just gotta...
Well, someone's got to hit it faster and see if they can get more air. You can't get any more. That's it right then. Wow. Oh!
Oh, hello.
Hey.
I got something to measure it.
Measure what? Just do it by
You-
video.
Yeah, that's the plan. Feel?
I'd say it's about 6 or 9 feet.
6 or 9 feet.
Lay
6.
down. 1,
9.
5,
Oh.
7, 2, 3, 10, 11, 13,
46.
That's about 6 feet.
We all
46?
dropped out of kindergarten.
That's true. Fresh out of
Kindergarten dropouts. Feeling lucky.
I dropped out last year, so out of kindergarten.
You're in preschool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I graduated preschool.
Oh.
Wow. I'm just being held back. First grow up. Do you think there's any other jumps? Like, can we jump over? Can we jump over and land over
Fucking
here?
idiot. Calm down, Dino.
Think that's good landing?
Then you're gonna die. Yeah, you can land right in there. Perfect.
Got a boy,
Hey, Dino, hit it a couple more times. This is a good angle. You too.
Whoa!
You're in the frickin' shot.
You're in the friggin' shot.
No, my finger's behind me. Limiter!
Yeah.
Limiter!
Huh?
Limiter!
No.
Come on.
What comes off?
Limiter!
Hey, no way Eli Tomac just did that.
Hey, hold on. I'm gonna try to do a flyby and make it backfire. By I don't know.
What day is it today?
Wednesday.
Wednesday? Oh, yeah.
That
I
it?
still,
Is
I
that
still
it?
have that one video of him when we were at his old place and it backfired.
Nothing.
Try again.
Doesn't want it.
Jeez, buddy.
That 4
Okay,
bite.
limiter.
No.
Just once.
My dad would get all grumpy.
Once.
Why?
Just do it one time. See?
It's way better than
limiters.
It's way better than Hudson. Too many things today on this thing.
Oi! Let's hit it.
We got Eli Tomac and Justin Barsha.
Oh.
Damn, go, what a train.
Oh my god. Yeah, Dino.
Go, Dino!
Honestly, the iPhone camera is dink.
Which?
The iPhone camera sucks.
Oh, yeah.
Did you not watch the video?
Yeah, I did.
Just as
You suck!
I love you, Mom.
Yeah.
Do some more cool stuff. I have the camera out.
You want to see a fat boner here?
No.
Yeah, do
Well,
it.
then you gotta get
Do
Dino
it,
to
no
do
balls!
If you want to see the match that have boners.
He's gonna copy my boner air?
Eli Tomac and Justin Barsha are going hard.
Look at them go. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah? I think it changed. That's it.
What do you
Hey, can I
think?
try? I gotta fix my clutch.
Don't go to the too flat. You go bottom of the board.
Bottom them out.
That's misfire.
You heard his bike? It's even worse.
Whose boner air was better?
Wow.
One and done.
That was awesome. Come on, hit it. Like a man.
One and done.
You gotta hit it.
Yeah.
Hit it properly. What about you, Dino?
Freestyle
You gonna hit it
trick?
properly? Yeah, let's see your best trick. No
Okay.
feet.
Man, do they girl.
I know. Big boys they are.
Whip it.
We're just throwing a whip. I can try it. Okay. Do those actually look cool or do I just look super gay?
Super gay.
Oh, okay.
It's cool for pit bikes, but super gay. Like,
Yeah.
Like I'm not laying it over at all?
No.
you should try more.
Stick your butt out. Stick your butt out.
best jump?
My best jump? Lay it over. Let me do a backflip.
See, I told you it doesn't have a limiter. Whoa!
Oh! Four strokes have rev limiters.
That one does it.
Look it up.
He put, I know that, you idiot! But he put the rev box in it so it revs higher, which just takes out the limiter.
Man, are you pro?
See, I went all the way around. I
Go
missed
backflip.
it. You gotta do it again.
Oh, what the hell?
Something.
There you go.
Dino?
That's not Dean Wilson.
So proud of him.
Oh, look at show me off.
You're hitting a shot.
Oh, here we go. Oh,
No way.
comes up in third gear bogging the whole way.
So, you gotta go do that jump right
Hey,
there.
watch this.
Right there, alright? Of course, because I don't have a pit bike, now I have to do it. Whoa! Dino's just getting dusted! Hey! Second gear! Dino, second gear! Second gear, let her eat. Yeah. There you go! Look out the road! Hey, let her eat, second gear. Yeah! Whoa! No way, Eli.
That was sick.
Oh,
Hey!
oh, coming in hot. You think you can make it down that?
Oh.
What a legend. His bike looks like a friggin' platypus.